Hey, it's Doug from the Rise Above Gym channel, and I have a real simple 50 rep workout for you. Let's check it out. All right, so this 50 rep workout is going to be 4 exercises. One's going to be for 5 reps, one's going to be for 10, one's going to be for 15, one's going to be for 20. Now the exercises are kind of whatever you want to do. Sometimes I do pull-ups, I won't be doing in this video, but what I'm going to do is 5 sit-ups, 10 squats, 15 push-ups, and 20 swings, okay? So I'm just gonna go right into it. So I'll start with 5 sit-ups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm gonna go into 10 squats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll put my bell down. 15 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then 20 kettlebell swings. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whew. All right. So that was a quick 50 reps. Again, you can change your exercise. Sometimes I do like 5 pull-ups, 10 push-ups, 15 deadlifts, 20 swings. You can do clean, snatches, all that stuff. 4 rounds of that. You got 200 reps and a very quick and effective workout. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like it down below. Also think about subscribing. I put a new video out every week. Thanks again. Good luck with your workouts, and we'll see you next time.